Alright, so the PS5 just launched and you thought about getting into PS2 gaming. That's fine, me too. So if your HDMI adapter does not work, perform these steps with these timings. Power on and let's see how long it takes to boot. Okay. And now with your controller, if you have one of these aftermarket ones, you'll have to start it up by hitting start. If this doesn't blink, it means it's connected. And we're gonna go down, X, and wait. Down, down, down. X, left, X. And maybe go back circle. So I hope this helps. I'm sorry it's a long video, but anyway, this should get you up and running. Have a good one, guys.